How to hard factory reset MOZOTER DBK02 wireless Bluetooth earbuds in case you need to troubleshoot them because they are not connecting to your Bluetooth device or they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of one earbud, the left earbud or the right earbud. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. You'll also be clearing this off of all devices you've had it paired with in the past, so you'll have to set it up again. But anyways, what you're going to want to do is make sure they're not connected to anything. Go ahead and take them out of the case and have them be on. They'll need to be on, and what you're going to do is you're going to simultaneously touch the multifunction button 4 times quickly, like click, 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 but simultaneously on both earbuds. If this works properly, the little indicator light on each of the earbuds will turn on red and blue for 2 seconds, and then the earbuds will clear its entire memory, turn off. From there, you should go into your phone or whatever you've had it paired with in the past and have it forget these earbuds so that then you can put the earbuds back in the case, take them back out, and then pair them again like it's a brand new device.